Cars facts, everything you wanted to know but were afraid to ask. When it comes to cars, we all have our own personal preferences. Some people prefer old-school classics like the Ford Mustang or Chevy Camaro, while others are into high-end luxury brands like Mercedes and BMW. Still, others prefer more modern, eco-friendly cars like hybrid vehicles or electric models. When you get right down to it, though, there's a lot more to learn about cars than just their different variations and styles. Here are some great tips on things you probably didn't know about cars but might be curious about. What is a Blue Book? Blue Book is the term used for the current estimated value of a car. You'll often see this value listed on sites like AutoTrader or Craigslist when someone is selling a car. The Blue Book value is usually based on the car's condition, how many miles it has on it, how old it is, and other factors. The value is updated by the company that publishes the Blue Book every month. Why are cars black when they're new? The color black is commonly associated with brand new cars, and while there are many different theories about why this is, the most likely explanation is simple. Black is a very durable paint color that can withstand the wear and tear of normal use. Since black paint isn't as difficult or expensive to produce as other colors, black cars are less expensive to manufacture. Does weather affect how long a car lasts? People often wonder if the amount of rain or snow a car is exposed to will have any impact on its longevity. The short answer is no, weather conditions only have a minor impact on how long your car lasts. Where can you find out how many miles are on a car? The easiest way to find out how many miles are on a car is to ask the owner. If that's not an option, you can use an odometer reading check method. If the car has a digital odometer that shows number, it's as simple as starting the car and looking at the screen. If the odometer is a mechanical one that shows a needle, you can shine a light on it and try to read the number. What does GVW mean? GVW stands for gross vehicle weight, and it's a measurement of how much an entire car weighs. The manufacturer will provide a gross vehicle weight for each car model. For example, a Honda Accord V6 has a GVW of 3,274 pounds. What is the difference between standard and premium gas? Regular, or standard, gas is the type recommended by most car manufacturers. Premium gas is higher octane fuel that's designed to increase performance, but it's not necessary for most cars. Premium gas is recommended in cars like Mercedes, BMW, and some sports cars that are designed to handle it. It can also be helpful in cars that have a lot of miles on them and could use an engine tune-up. Which is better, a 6-cylinder or an 8-cylinder engine? This one is a bit of a debate among car aficionados, but the general consensus is that a V6, 6-cylinder engine is a better option than an inline 8-cylinder. This is because inline engines place the cylinders side by side, which makes them harder to cool. V6 and V8 engines put 2 cylinders on each side of the engine to even out the heat. That makes them a bit easier to cool and less likely to overheat. What is camshaft housing rotting, CSHR? Camshaft rot is a common issue in older cars, especially older American and Japanese models. The CAM part of the acronym stands for crankshaft, camshaft, and mating surfaces, while the HR stands for housing. Basically, the crankshaft, camshaft, and 2 pieces of the engine that connect them are prone to wearing down over time and causing a bit of wear and tear inside the engine. Conclusion: now that you know more about cars and car parts, you can take better care of your vehicle and keep it running smoothly. That means less time at the mechanic and a more enjoyable driving experience. Plus, you'll save money on gas, insurance. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates and hit the notification bell.